Great surgeons are not born in theory. They are built through experience. Edition 6 brought together passionate surgeons for an immersive learning experience designed to build confidence and capability.
Surgery means handicraft, and handicraft means skills. And to develop skills, you have to practice. So Meril Academy is the one which provides all these good ambience, good infrastructure, good quality instruments, lot of suture materials where students can do daily practice and develop their surgical skills.
Every session focused on sharpening, suturing techniques, enhancing precision, and building surgical confidence. Participants learn directly from experienced faculty through real-time guidance and mentorship. For many participants, this was more than a course. It was a defining step in their surgical journey.
We had been exposed to the pre-course material, and it was the exact replica of what was done by the surgeons in London, showing us. We used the exact same specimens, the instruments were available were the exact same, the material, the suture material, everything was advanced, and it was just perfect that we didn't have to think about anything and just be taught and learn about it. So Meril just made it extremely easy.
We have increased number of participants in this course compared to the previous course, and we also have a few people from international students.
An environment built for learning, collaboration, and growth.
I feel every surgeon should experience this state-of-art facility at least once in life to witness how much progress, particularly in medical field, has been done here at Meril Academy.
The next opportunity to transform your skills is here.
Each procedure was very well defined, well in advance, with a adequate pre-course material being provided for our preparation.
I've had an amazing experience at the Meril Academy with the course. The faculty was amazing, the course was really interactive, got to learn a lot of new basic skills which we usually tend to ignore.
Gave us a pretty close experience to what the real world scenarios are.
Join RCSBSS Course 7th Edition at Meril Academy. Seats are limited. Register now.